Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening System Settings immediately. This gets you to the right controls. Click the Apple menu or press Command plus space and type Settings to speed things up. Once System Settings is open, locate Desktop and Dock in the left column. This groups screen appearance options. Make sure your account has admin rights if you plan to change managed settings. You're now positioned to change the screensaver behavior and preview options without extra navigation steps. So proceed to the screensaver controls next. You'll now pick and fine-tune the screensaver itself. In Desktop and Dock, scroll to the screensaver section and choose between built-in collections, your photos library, or dynamic Apple options. Once chosen, configure start time and enable shuffle or display settings so the visuals match your preference. Make sure to preview the selection to confirm timing and look. If you want photos, point to a specific album. If animation is slow, reduce image complexity or turn off motion effects to maintain performance. Finish by saving or simply closing settings. The changes apply immediately. You should test by either waiting the set start time or using preview to confirm it activates. If it doesn't appear, check related settings, lock screen timing, energy saver sleep behavior, and any screen time or management profiles that can block screensavers. Once those are cleared, restart your Mac. If problems persist and seem hardware or firmware related, consider resetting NVRAM or SMC. That often resolves persistent, low-level display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.